The defense rested its case in the first ever criminal trial of a former U.S. president after calling two witnesses, and Donald Trump wasn't one of them. Instead, they honed in on Robert Costello, a lawyer who disputed claims that Donald Trump knew all about efforts to silence an adult film star and paid his former fixer, Michael Cohen, to do so. Trump's payments to Cohen are at the heart of the charges he faces, 34 counts of falsifying business records. But Cohen admitted on the stand that he's lied under oath before.
The prosecution had no choice but to put Michael Cohen on the stand, and that's what they did. Of course, he presents certain difficulties.
The jury saw documents, emails, invoices, phone records, and even checks signed by Donald Trump, and heard from Stormy Daniels, who was paid to keep quiet in the run-up to the 2016 presidential election about an affair she claimed she had with him. They also heard from media mogul David Pecker, Trump's co-conspirator in the hush money scheme. But the prosecution's case largely comes down to Cohen and what he says his former boss knew.
So that's the thing. They can't present any evidence that directly shows that he knew. This is only information in Trump's head. The only way they can present that evidence is by presenting Stormy Daniels, Michael Cohen, David Pecker, people that have spoken to Trump and can tell a jury that was the intent behind the payment.
Trump, who denies all of it, reserved his commentary for the cameras.
It's very sad, but the good news is they've not proven a case. There is no crime. Now, you're going to read all of these experts, and you know we're going to have to go over their names again, but all experts, legal scholars, talented people, very smart people, and there is no crime.
The jury will return to the courtroom next week to hear closing arguments and begin their deliberations. All 12 jurors must agree on Donald Trump's guilt or innocence to avoid a mistrial. Kristen, Saloomey, Al Jazeera, New York.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest news from Al Jazeera.